Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about how ChatGPT will change the cyber security. So before starting this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting videos. So a new generation of chatbots create coherent magnificent text. So this can help out both cyber criminals and cyber defenders. So although the principles of machine learning were laid down some half of century ago, only recently have they found visible application in the practice. So as computing power grew, computer learned first distinguish objects in images and play go better than humans than to draw pictures based on text description and maintain coherent chat. In 2021 to 2022, scientists breakthrough out became the accessible to all. For example, you can subscribe Mid-Journey and say instantly illustrate your own books. And OpenAI has finally opened to its ChatGPT 3 generate pretended transfer 3 language model to the general public through ChatGPT. So this bot is available chat.openai.com, where you can see the yourself and maintain coherent conversation, explain complex scientists concept better than many teachers, artistically translate text between languages and much more. So if we stripe ChatGPT down to the bars essential, the languages model is trained on gigantic code and online text, from which it remembers which words, sentences and paragraphs are collected most frequently and how they interrelate. So aided by numerous technical tricks and additional rounded by training with humans model optimized specially for dialogue, because on the internet you can find absolute everything. So the model is naturally able to support dialogue on practically in all topic, from fashion and history, all the programming and quantum physics. So scientists, journalists and all brain enthusiasts are finding even more application for ChatGPT. So the awesome ChatGPT prompts, which has the list prompts phrases, start a conversation with the bot, which allows to switch chatbot to with the respond in the style of of the literally character write Python code, generate business letter, resume and even intimate a Linux terminal. So nevertheless, ChatGPT is still just a language model. So all the above is nothing more than common combination and collections of words. So you would not be able to reason for logic at this time. ChatGPT talk convincing nonsense like many humans, for example by referring on non-existing scientist studies. So always a ChatGPT content due to cautions. This is said to be the current form the bot of useful in many practice process and the industries. So here are the different example in the field of cyber security. So first one is malware creations. On underground hackers from noise cyber criminals report how to use ChatGPT create a new trojans. The bot is able to write code. So if the signals describe the functions 7 all password in the X and send y HTTP post to the server Y. So you can get this simple info straight without having any programming skills in art. However, straight arrows user having all nothing fair. So if bot written code is actually used, security solution will detect it, neutralize a quick and efficient way to previous malware created by humans. So what more if such code is not working by the experienced programmer, with the malware likely to contain subtitle errors and logical flaws which make less effective. So at least now bots only compete with the novice virus writers. Second one is malware analysis. When InfoSec analysts study new suspicious application, that is reverse engineering the pseudocode machine code trying to figure out how it works. So although this task cannot be fully assigned ChatGPT, so the ChatGPT is already capable of quickly explaining what the particular piece of code does. Our channel Learn, Create and Develop plugin IDEA Pro that does precisely that. The language model under the hood is just not ChatGPT, so rather it's caution DaVinci 003, but it's the purely technical difference. So sometimes the plugin doesn't works out, outputs garbage. So but these cases when it automatically assigns legitimate names to functions and identifies encryption algorithms in the code and their parameters. So it's worth having its kit bag. So it come in this SOC condition when the frequently overloaded analysts have to devote a minimum amount of time each incident, and the tool speed of processes is welcome. So these are the different examples about the relatable things about we have to explore. The third one is vulnerability search. A variation of above approach is an automated search vulnerable code. The chatbot reads the pseudocode of decompiled application and identify the places and contain vulnerability. So moreover, the bot provide Python code designed vulnerability POC explanation. Sure, the bot can make it all kinds of mistakes in both searching for vulnerabilities with writing POC code, but even in the current model for tool of use both attackers and the defenders.